think unlike other technological trends, we're aware, even if today we're like, okay, ChatGPT is this like very helpful tool and it's, once I use it, I'm not scared of it. There is a sense of super understandable anxiety about where this is going to go. What does it mean if these tools keep getting more capable at the rate they've been getting capable at? And there's tons of wonderful things, and we could talk about those all day. But there is this, what is the future going to look like? Even if we solve every safety problem, even if we solve every misuse problem, even if we figure out the perfect regulatory regime, like what are our lives going to be like when it's not just like the computer understands us and gets to know us and helps us and do these things, but we can say like, hey computer, like discover all of physics. And it can go off and do that. What does it mean when we can say like, hey, start and run a great company? It can go off and do that. So